got Cherish's Jeep here. We gave it to her for her birthday. It was a pretty good surprise, but now she's like, we put wheels and tires on it, bumpers, stuff like that, which she liked. But now she's gonna start making it her own. We'll put some headlights in it today. We just got had a little bit of death wobble, but we fixed all that. So, about to throw in some. I think it's Mr. Headlight. It's a buddy of ours from Memphis. He looks Fireball's got them. New car's gonna have them. Ryan's Daly's truck's gonna have them. So, Cherish's Jeep needed them. So he tricked some headlights out. About to install them. She has these. She hates these. She says that one points to the north, one points to the south. So we're gonna get her straightened out. So.
And it's Mr. HID, right?
I think it's Mr. HID. Let me
right.
Hold on. Let me. Hopefully Colton, when we're playing this, Mr. HID or whatever, we're gonna put him right here. So go see his Instagram right here. Go follow him right there. So. Turn this up. Supposedly it's plug and play, so we're about to find out. Are you going any torques?
It did blow up to the side.
Yeah. Why? And I asked her, you said it was out of meth. I said, did it drive funny? Why don't I ever get on it? I didn't drive it. Like, did it drive? I seriously drove it.
Yeah.
She's like, no, but I don't get on it either. Well, the only way the meth comes on is if you get on it. And it's out of meth and the plugs are burnt out of it, so. What other lie you got for me, Robert?
What a dick! What a dick! That got to be put on the couch.
I got 3. What an egg. That thing looks weird without a grill on it.
Yeah, we like I said, kind of built this for Cherish. We're got this grill. She had a little damage, but I made it look brand new. The thing, at least she didn't put one of those like mean face grills in it.
With the teeth on it?
I don't like those. Spare tire.
No, the door, like where it ran.
Oh, that's just because that wheel and tire are too heavy for the door.
You hear about that?
I knew I heard there was undercover down the road, but I didn't hear about the Mexican.
Mexico Joe called me. Like turning without going in the closest lane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, the cops really gotta be a dick to pull you over for that.
Gang unit pulled him over.
Well, shit.
Yeah. China-Sino relations right here.
Yeah.
Got some kind of harness. You have to figure that out. He left me some good instructions, so that's good. Usually you don't get any instructions. Cherish picked these out and like helped design them, so see what they look like.
Oh. Well, I was kind of thinking maybe she was going somewhere and you would still be
Those
here.
do look pretty sick.
Yeah. Transformer Jeep.
They got halos on?
Projector and yeah, I think it's got a halo right here. Not exactly sure.
He ends up needing to get rid of his tickets. And I just rode in the back of the car. Actually, I only went to Cafe once. I went with my brother, so I'm pretty sure he baked them ticket. But I will tell you that we got his Lincoln MKZ stuck on a log.
He went forward instead of backwards.
Well,
Dude.
He did. I didn't drive.
Yeah, he went.
He was stuck on a log.
Yeah, he went forwards instead of backwards because he might have been slightly intoxicated. That was.
It looks like the eyeballs of the little creepy thing off of Transformers, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. The little robot guy that rolls around.
That talk shit, yeah.
What's up,
Yeah,
dogs?
that's right.
You see me over there, Michael Babe? Got a light. Hey, wait a minute. Turn that back on. Sorry. All right, brights. Off. Back on.
Much brighter.
Not much brighter.
I don't feel like
It's pretty bright.
Off. Yeah, it feels different from over here.
Okay.
Yeah. You can hear it too.
Well, Ricky, you might be looking at this one too. The brights work really good on these things. I just can't drive around with the brights.
So Cherish, are we still doing a snorkel on this?
I'd like one, but it kind of seems pointless if I'm never going to get to take it to the river.
Why wouldn't you?
Because your friend keeps making me do all this extracurricular shit.
You mean you don't have a social life? Or what you think?
Oh, we just go one day.
If by social life you mean socializing with strangers at a racetrack, then my social life is booming.
Oh, what now? Where to now?
What we
Well-
got? You going to Dallas, aren't you, Michael?
Yeah.
Innis.
That's the next one.
That's next weekend.
Ferris.
Is it next weekend?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the Saturday after Thanksgiving, Bobby.
Right after Thanksgiving?
Right after.
And we got test Friday.
Oh man, some people ain't gonna make that up.
I don't even really know what day it is right now. I'm just got here.
Leaves in my car. It's good. Hey, I can tell you one thing he should have changed while he was changing everything else that was 100,000 miles old.
Motor mount?
Why are those so?
That's a body mount.
Why are they so rusty?
Because water probably rolled down the grill and shit.
Someone taking it to the river.
We go on the river without telling us, sir?
You got his credit card? We'll order a snorkel and we'll just do it. I don't know if there's a whole lot to be hooking up to in here. That's the horn.
The red thing?
Huh?
The red thing?
No, right here. I was looking
I hope we got the right year.
Unbolt and bolt these two.
I thought that was a turbo.
Hmm?
I thought that was a turbo.
Just like me, you don't get paid
Right
to
there,
think.
Rick?
Oh hell.
Turn it on. We got 1, 2, 3.
They don't go in.
We got clocked the wrong way.
Be right here for it to fit there.
Oh,
Look.
you get this.
I mean, I don't need to match it up. I can see if that's the screw hole.
These go inside there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this ring's what holds it in. Those are just like alignment pins. Oh, this dude's here.
I don't feel like.
So what? Just make it round, you think, Michael Bean? Make it round?
Yeah.
Make it a circle?
Yeah, but I wouldn't. Don't go all the way through. Just
Make it to where it'll
Like
slide
shave
into
it.
there easy.
yeah.
Oh, so you mean
Like
just
a
buff it
ramp.
down?
Just buff it, shave it back.
Shave it. Like shave her back?
Shave her back. Yeah, shave her back.
I hope you don't have to shave her back.
No, absolutely
I mean,
not.
she used to be he.
Like I said, this guy, he's from Memphis, the dude that did the lights. So we were driving through and picking up, I was telling you a story, but I didn't finish. Ricky was there. We were at a race, Outlaw Street Car Reunion. We were radio racing with the Fireball car. And I got picked, Ricky got picked to drive the Fireball, like the R&D car around.
Yeah.
With the, it had a 400 in it, right? Did it have a 400 in it? Okay. He got to drive around town. He was like, man, this thing doesn't drive very good. It's just full race mode. So he gets back, and they're like, well, we're hungry. So they sent me to Checkers. It's a burger place in Memphis. I get there, order a bunch of food. I did. I think I did. And I get there, and I order my food, and there's this beggar lady. You know, she's there. And she's right before me. She orders. And then I order all the food for us, and I'm kind of standing there getting some ketchup and stuff like that. And she looked over at me, and she goes, hey, can you do me a favor? And I'm thinking she wants me to pay for something or give her. No, man, this big girl, like Big Mama. She goes, man, will you scratch my back? And I don't know what I was thinking, dude, but I really scratched this lady's back for me. Dude, after I was done, I was like, what the fuck is wrong with you, man? Why'd you do that? So I went and washed my hands. But man, I felt so terrible.
Was
and
this
nasty.
like before or after the pandemic?
This is exactly before. This is about 5 years ago. It's probably one of the most weirdest situations I've ever been in public. She really turned around and asked me to scratch her back. She got a little itch.
Yeah, you just voluntarily just start scratching her back.
No problem.
Felt terrible. That's my story of being a Memphis. I was very, I was ashamed of myself after that. I washed my hands so many times.
I mean, well, I guess someone close everything down to like the 30 minute.
All right, Michael Bean, you're up.
Do you need to end this hole to do that?
Here, okay,
Just
here.
I'll just do all that.
Build all that up?
Yeah. Because it'll work. I mean, we know what we got to do.
Just slide it in.
Just tap it in. Just tap it in.
Give it a little tap.
Tappy tap. Go home, ball.
Go to your home. Too good for your home.
Too good for your home. This is 8 out because that's how we figured out the training and the 900 was bad.
I don't like the plastic, you know?
You want a metal one?
Fucking. Someone ate
I don't
get
like,
your
I
ass.
don't like the look of the plastic.
What was that? What were you driving?
It all looks like
700.
dried out, you know?
Yeah, it's good faded.
Yeah.
Black
The door handle
They were
fillers
both
that
black.
I bought
But I was in the
4
700 that Ryan just sold.
Four door Jeep.
And you were in the 900.
That's cool.
And we blasted it on Center Road. You were in the 900. I'm dead positive that we were because we got back. Because you drove it. And Matt raced it all weekend, remember?
Say it again?
And you and I drove. And I know it was because I had to go up there with Matt one time to run the black car. Like I went up there with him. So I shut everything down and went up there with him. And then it was like 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning.
Running the black car already.
He makes a valid point.
Why would we have? Because it was just in like the daily test and tune thing, and it was like right after we first built it, and just to see what it ran.
Was it the year that Fireball sponsored Armageddon?
It had to have been.
May have
Okay,
been.
then that was the year before that, and I was big pregnant with Dax, and we were at the very end, and it was there because they like took
Parked it
out
on the
there.
side.
Yeah, they took it out there as like a demo for people to look at.
Yeah, and then, but Matt ran it because
He
what's
make it-
his face? That was because it's true because that was back when Dodo Brain. I can't even remember.
Scott.
No, Scott, yes, but the other Dodo Brain that ran my car a bunch of times went on the little trip. Wrecked the
He's
fucking
talking.
motor.
He is talking. He's
Jerry,
talking
I'm
about
not
streetcar
Streetcar
takeover.
Takeover.
Yeah. You are talking about streetcar takeover.
No way.
Yeah, because Michael.
You're talking about when me and Jerry got in a fight.
It was Jerry. You're talking about Jerry. Him and Jerry.
Jerry
about that
showed
fight.
then.
Oh, because he showed up and he was like, I'm running.
Yeah, I went up to Streetcar Takeover. I was
He
supposed
showed
to
up
take
and
care
said,
of
"I'm running
everything.
this one,
And
I'm
Jerry
running
showed
that
up and said he was taking care of everything.
That's
And
right.
Justin's driving this,
Yeah.
and I'm fucking driving this, and fucking
So,
blah, blah,
okay.
I
blah.
wish I would have known you wanted to fight, Jerry. We could have jumped him.
Then you are
Hated
right.
that guy.
Because he drove it.
Me that he would have never hired
shop
me.
over there.
'Cause at that time I was
Well,
working
Train
at a
went out in
Volkswagen
Red Car
dealership in
on-
Edmond,
on
and
my
he
way
used to
home.
run the one
I didn't make it
on
home.
OKC off of.
Yeah.
Only one's gonna come off because we gotta take that one back off. Bam. All right, you shut it off.
Only one works.
As soon as I went to go tell you that.
Just don't take me out.
Something on fire.
It could have been you driving the 900, you driving
Hey,
the
Hobby,
What's up, boss?
you said that we were getting the Lincoln back?
Because I
Yeah.
said.
When's that supposed to happen?
I was just kidding.
Well,
I was.
guess what you get to do whenever it comes back?
What do I get to do?
Those are my seat covers right there.
It should touch them and hold them or center them or something. I mean, I'm telling you right now, they're not. They're just barely. Like you can see where they snap over, and they get into a little groove right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I
Oh.
figured out what it was. Ryan called